Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install DirectX 12, that is the latest version of DirectX on your Windows PC. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your start menu on the left side and go to the settings option, and after that go to update and security on the bottom. And here you have to check for the updates. If your PC is already up to date with all the Windows security and Windows updates, the DirectX might have been automatically downloaded to your PC. Check for the updates by clicking check for the updates here and download and install that. And check if the DirectX 12 is already installed on your PC or not. To check it, go to the search option here, just type run, click the run option here, and here you have to type DXDIAG and click OK. And here you can see DirectX diagnostic tool, and the version is showing DirectX X12, and that is the latest version. So if this shows DirectX 11, so you can download it manually from your browsers. So to do that, I'm gonna minimize that, go to the browser and just type DirectX web installer, click and select the first search result here. This is their official website, Microsoft. Select it and scroll down and select download. I'm gonna cross this one, and as you can see, the download has automatically started and it's already downloaded. I'm gonna go to the download folder option here, and here I will double click it to install it on my PC. Select run and give it a couple of seconds to install it. Accept the agreement and select next, and it's already installing on my PC. After the installation is successful, you can go back to the run option again. I'm going to type run again here and click it to open and give the same prompt DXDIAG and click OK. As you can see, my PC has DirectX 12, so this is the latest version, so you can easily download and install it in your PC. This is the way I showed you in this video. So this is the video. I hope this is a helpful video for you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.